Hello, I'm Richard Hooper and this is SatTV Week. Now I'm pleased to be joined by Hector Lim of DataPath. Hector, thanks for joining us. Now DataPath are a very well-known company, but in Asia Pacific that's not actually the case, and you've been brought on board to establish it.
Well, Asia Pacific we view it as a region of growth, and the engine of growth is going to drive the business for us, and that's why I've been on board. So as far as Asia Pacific is concerned, I've been doing business there for the last 30 years. So DataPath has invested a lot of time, effort, money in hiring the people, and we're going to see a lot of growth for DataPath for this region for the next 5 to 10 years.
Now, what sort of products are you going to be pushing in Asia particularly?
Well, we have a wide range of products in DataPath, from the earth stations, teleports, right down to even man-packed portables. We see that moving for basically a lot of government institutes, the civil defense, the military, and fire search and rescue, and that's where we are pretty strong in. But back in the US, we have been given contracts by the US Department of Defense and the military. So we have a wide range of verticals we're looking at, but the key ones that are giving us the business will be the military, fire search and rescue, and government services.
Now, it's a very competitive market. How do you stay ahead of those competitors?
By being ahead of the competition in terms of knowing where the industry is moving, where the projects and tenders are, and having very good partners on the ground. Recently, we're waiting for a contract to be given to us in South Korea, and we've just hired a new country manager for Korea, and he's having boots on the ground, talking to the customers, talking to the end customers, and getting the partners to talk to the end customers. That's where we feel we can be a bit more having an edge over the competition in those countries that we feel are very key for us.
Now, I've been talking to other people and they're saying, you know, we have quality products, but we're always up against low quality options that are coming in. Does quality always show through?
Well, we've been around for the last 27, 30 years, and we used to be very good in quality and performance, just like draw for your competition in terms of comparison. If you buy a Volvo or a BMW, you don't expect price to be an issue. You expect performance to be there. But we also have low-range products that we are very competitive as far as being very cheap is concerned, but we have made it very sure that we have enough performance and quality in those low-end products. But certainly, that's not our key market as far as price is concerned.
So looking forward, next 2 or 3 years, how are you going to develop the Asia Pacific region?
We have a very healthy pipeline right now since being here for the last 2 or 3 years looking at Asia Pacific, and we see that region is going to grow for us in twofold, between 30 to 50% for us for the next 2 or 3 years. So we see that as healthy growth, and the margins are pretty good for us right now for this region. So we're expanding, getting offices set up and hiring the people to be on the ground, local people, to be looking at the opportunities that we have in the pipeline.
Hector, thank you very much.
My pleasure.